Hey everyone, welcome back to Creative Book Club. I hope you were able to read Ask for Andrea. If not, no worries. Still watch the craft that we selected to go along with this book. I won't do any spoilers on it, but I did enjoy this book. It is right up my alley as far as murder mysteries go. Um, but I thought it'd be cute to do with your friends a dream catcher. So what I have here, it's actually floral wire that I covered and then I wrapped just kind of a thicker ribbon around it. It was actually a leather type of ribbon. You can use anything to cover up the wire. You can use a real thick ribbon and then that would go a little bit faster, or you can just use a thin ribbon, or you could just leave it blank however you want. And then I'm going to take, this is a hemp twine that's used for making jewelry, and just kind of making a spider web, just kind of weaving a web within the circle there. I'm just doing little knots at each junction and then moving on to the next. So you might want to measure out. I did have to backtrack a bit at the first pass through there because I didn't measure out how far could get them evenly spaced on the outside. But so it takes a little bit of math to get that right. But I'm just gonna go round and round in a circle until I get to the center. Um, Again, it does take a little bit of time, so make sure you're with people that you like spending time with. But it's really not complicated once you get going, and then you can just decorate the dream catcher itself. So I have this, I had some feathers and some pony beads from another craft that I'm gonna use to just give it a little bit of color, a little bit of whimsy. I tied a thread to the first bead, and then I'm gonna hot glue it onto the feather, and then that way it should all stay. I'll just thread all the other beads I want on there onto the feather. And then I'll tie that to the dream catcher itself. You could use fishing line, or you could even use like little uh, like crystals or more feathers or however you want to do it. But it's just a fun craft to do with your friends. And I hope you join me back for next week when we have a new book.